Hey everyone, Josh Oakey here from the Customer Service Movement, and this video is to let you know that we are going to be moving the date of the Facebook Messenger Masterclass in Bunbury to Friday the 21st of September. The reason being is because basically we don't have the numbers to run a successful workshop right at this very moment. So we're extending it. There are a few people that came back to me and said, this date doesn't work. Can we look at doing it at a future date? So we've made the decision that we will be running the Facebook Messenger Masterclass on the Friday, the 21st of September. That's 3 weeks from now, or whenever you are watching this video. So we're going to change the event right now in here. If you haven't registered yet, please register. The link is above in the event description. If you've got any questions at all about what's going to be covered, please feel free to comment below this video. But the good news is we are going to continue with this amazing masterclass in 3 weeks from now. So we're going to take you through how to use ManyChat, how to automate your marketing system, how to communicate with your prospects and leads. And right there in the workshop and masterclass, we're going to set up a marketing campaign that you will have live from then for as long as you need, generating your leads on autopilot over that weekend, which is really, really exciting. So any questions at all, please let me know. All of the details are in the link above, thecustomerservicemovement.com.au/messengermc. Go to that link, register your seat now. We are strictly limited to 15 businesses maximum. So I look forward to seeing you on the 21st of September. Have an amazing day, afternoon, or wherever you may be, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.